So I'm at the Roborock booth at CES 2026, and there's a bunch of new products that were announced, from their stair-climbing robot, the Saros Rover, which is still a concept at this point, but it's being showcased here at the booth, to their first robot with a rolling mop, the Qrevo Curv. They also showcased their Saros 20 lineup, and there's a new wet and dry vacuum, the F25 Ace Pro, which now adds foam spray as a feature to tackle tough messes. Let's find out more. They have a range of new robots that are announced. There's the Saros 20 series over here with the Saros 20 and Saros 20 Sonic, and a very interesting new introduction. This is the Qrevo Flow. This is Roborock's first robot vacuum with a rolling mop, and I've actually had this for a couple of weeks and I've been testing it, so stay tuned for my review of the Qrevo Flow. And this is what the back of the Qrevo Flow looks like, and as you can see, it has a large rolling mop. What's nice over here, for easy maintenance, this is tiltable by 75 degrees, so you can easily take the roller brush away and clean it. It also has edge extend, and as I said, I did an in-depth review of the Qrevo Flow, so make sure you stay tuned to my channel to see the in-depth review. So here we can see the Saros 20 series with the upgraded Adaptalift Chassis 3.0. It's now able to climb thresholds up to 4.5 centimeter single and an additional 4 centimeter in double threshold, so a total of 8.5 centimeters. The feet have been upgraded, as you can see over here, where it pushes itself up to be able to climb the double thresholds. And the Saros 20 still has the same ultra-thin, low-profile design, able to go under objects that are less than 8 centimeters, so at 7.98 centimeters high, which is pretty impressive. So that same Adaptalift chassis lifts the robot up when it is about to go over carpet. And as you can see, it lifts it up to 2 centimeters to avoid getting your high-pile carpets wet. So when it's approaching carpets, as you can see, it's going to lift itself up again, and it can go up to 2 centimeters to avoid getting your high-pile carpets wet. This is the Saros 20 Sonic series. This has a flat mop. It's not rotating, but it has a few interesting upgrades. First thing is that the mop is detachable, so right now it goes to the docking station, it detaches the mop, goes back out to start vacuuming. In the meantime, the base station would be cleaning the mop to save time. So once the vacuuming is done, the robot returns back to a ready-to-go mop, attaches it again, and another interesting upgrade is that there's edge extend on this. So we've only seen edge extend on rotating mops or track style and rolling mops, but never on a flat mop like this. Now the Saros 20 Sonic has a flat mop that extends to the edge for edge cleaning. One of the new wet and dry vacuums over here is the F25 Ace Pro. What is different from the F25 lineup is that this has a foam spray, so it uses foam and a jet of foam that it sprays from over here to tackle tough stains. I've actually had the F25 Ace Pro for a couple of weeks and I've been testing it, so make sure you stay tuned to my channel to see the full in-depth dedicated review of the F25 Ace Pro. So they're also showcasing a new carpet cleaner. This has a modular design, so the power unit over here is removable. So if you press this button, this is a removable power unit. And this is the same as their combo series. So if you have the combo series, you can use it as a wet and dry, as a stick vacuum cleaner, or as a new carpet cleaner that is presented here. And here's a quick demo of what the carpet cleaner can do. They put some Coke on the floor. They press the nozzle to spray some water on the stain. And just lift up the stain like that. And here there's an interesting course showcasing the Rockmo lawnmowers and their dynamic suspension system, and they say it has unshakable stability over uneven terrain, and it does a pretty good job over here. And then it goes on to climb a pretty steep incline.
And lastly, the Saros Rover. This is Roborock's solution to stair-climbing robots, and they took a very different and quite interesting approach. They started with a dancing show, showcasing that Saros Rover literally dancing, hopping on one foot, and it literally can hop. And this showcases the unique approach that Roborock took, and to be honest, I actually like that approach. And here you see it in action, and this exactly showcases that unique approach where the 2 feet are actually independent. And not only does this allow it to climb on narrower staircases, But also, since the feet are independent, it allows the robot to actually vacuum your stair, as you can see over here. So the robot is literally walking on one foot as it vacuums your stairs, and then once it's done, it lifts that up again and propels itself up to the next stair, which is quite interesting. There's yet no confirmed launch date for this robot, but Roborock confirmed that they're working hard to actually introduce this model to market as soon as possible.
So that's it for the showcase of the products at the Roborock booth. As I said, I've had some of these products for quite some time and I've been testing them, so I will be doing an in-depth dedicated review of some of these. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel to get notified when I release that video. Until next time, cheers.